Hello everyone, and welcome to our Topper Pack plugin tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to use the Scroll to Top extension. First, let's enable the extension and click Save. Now, go to the front page and click Edit with Elementor. Then, open Site Settings, and you'll see the Scroll to Top option there. Simply enable it and click Save. Now reload the page, and you'll see the Scroll to Top icon appearing on your site. You also have various customization options available. Click on the Scroll to Top settings again, and you'll be able to change the color, font, and icon. Adjust the position, left, right, or any bottom offset. Set the width, height, z-index, and opacity. You can also change the icon type. If you prefer an image, just upload your custom image. If you'd like to use text instead, simply enter your desired text. Once done, click Save and reload the page to see the updated Scroll to Top button. That's it. Thank you for watching.